In this lecture, we are going to learn about hole feature in Catia. First, draw a random 3D part. Now select a hole feature from here. Select a point where you want to make a hole. Now this window will appear. Here you can see different options. Here you can see the type of hole. Zoom in to see the hole clearly. You can change the diameter from here, make it 20 mm. You can also change the depth from here, make it 50 mm. You can reverse the direction of hole from here. Click on reverse. You can also reverse the direction by clicking on this arrow. Now select positioning sketch to define the location of the hole. Click on fit sketch. This is the center of the hole. Select constraint and give dimension to this sketch. Select this point and this side. Give distance of 60 mm. Now select this point and this side. Give distance of 60 mm. Exit workbench. Now go to type option. Here you can see the different type of hole. First select simple. So this is the simple hole. OK. Again select hole. Select point. Go to type and select tapered hole. So this is the tapered hole. Here you can see the preview. First define the angle of the hole. Give 40 degree. So this is the tapered hole which is tapered at 40 degree angle. Again select hole. Select point. Go to type. This time select counterbore hole. So this is the counterbore hole. This is the depth and diameter of hole. Give diameter of 40 mm. Depth of 10 mm. This is the 40 mm dia and 10 mm depth. Preview. So this is the counterbore hole. Again select hole. Select point. Go to type. This time select countersunk. So this is the countersunk hole. You can select different parameters from here. This is the depth and angle of hole. This is the depth and diameter of hole. This is the angle and diameter of hole. Give depth of 15 mm and give angle of 50 degree. Change depth to 20 mm. Preview. So this was the countersunk hole in Catia.